Good morning, third grade friends. Today is April 28th, Tuesday morning, and we're going to continue learning about how acts or scenes in a play build on each other. So the play that you're going to read today has one act, and I think it has 4 scenes. Let me check. 1, 2, 3. Nope, 3 scenes. So right now, if you do not have your NTI Week 6 work in front of you for reading, go ahead and pause this video, get your packet, and get a pencil now. Great, so today some words that we are going to be reading about are the word groomed. And if we go to a dictionary and we look up the word groomed, we see that the meaning is similar to like brush or clean a coat on a horse or another animal, or to clean the fur or the skin, or to give a neat and tidy appearance to someone. So let's go back to our reading for today, and the next word is glossy. And if we look up the word glossy, we see that the meaning of the word glossy means shiny and smooth. The next word that we need to look up is loped. To lope means to run or move along, run or move with a long bounding stride. So it's probably talking about a horse. That's a good clue. The next word is slunk. Whoop. Slunk is the past tense word for the word slink. To slink means to come or go obtrusively or furtively, which means like creep or sneak. So if you slink or you slunk, it means that you already snuck or creeped past someone. So our story for today is from How the Animals Got Their Coats, How the Animals Got Their Beautiful Coats. And this is based off of a Zulu folktale. So the characters in our story are the storyteller, which is the narrator. Then we have the tortoise, the leopard, the zebra, and the hyena. So we're going to read starting with the storyteller, and then you can see where the other characters say their part. This is how a scene plays out, or how a play plays out. Each character says their speaking part, which is over here. So you're going to go ahead and read scene 1 and scene 2 and scene 3 of this play. So go ahead and pause your video and read now. When you get to the next portion of the activity on the next page, the thinking portion, you are going to answer these multiple choice questions. The first question says, what does the storyteller say in scene 1? So you're looking for the storyteller in scene 1 that hints at what the play will be about. So what will the play be about? Go back and find your answer in scene 1. Press pause and find your answer now. Number 2, how do the events in scene 2 build on the events from scene 1? So what happens in scene 1 that makes something in scene to happen? Go ahead and think and choose your answer now. Go ahead and press pause. Number 3. Look again at this sentence from the storyteller in scene 3. So you're going to read this sentence. What is the meaning of blotched? So remember, Miss Lee has talked to you all about how I find the correct meaning in a sentence of a word, the word blotched. He was all blotched with a dirty white, gloomy gray, and dull brown coat. Blotched. Does that mean covered in mud? He was all covered in mud with a dirty white, gloomy gray, and dull brown coat? Or he was tangled in weeds? Or he was covered in patches of color? Or he was wet and slimy? Press pause and choose your answer now. Number 4 has a part A and part B. How do the events in scene 3 build on the events from scene 1 of the play, How the Animals Got Their Beautiful Coats? Think about this very carefully. Something happens in scene 1 that makes something happen in scene 3. So you need to think very carefully about that before you choose your answer. They should be connected. Part B. Which 2 details from the play best support your answer that you chose from part A? So whatever you choose in part B should be connected to your answer in part A. And you remember, you need to choose 2 answers. Now you get to the right portion of this activity. How do the events in the play build on each other to explain something in nature? Reread the play and underline important events. Then answer questions 5 and 6. So how do the events in the play build on each other to explain something in nature? So your answer should definitely help to prove an explanation of nature. This is where you will write your short, extended response. How do the events of the play build on each other to show why the hyena is ugly and the other animals are not ugly? Use details from different scenes to answer your question. So remember, whenever you are answering your question, to use R for restate the question, A, answer the question, and C, cite your evidence. This is your proof. So that's where you need to give examples from the text that prove your answer. Once you have completed this portion of the assignment, please take a picture of it and send it to me for extra points on the leaderboard. I hope you all are doing great on this beautiful Tuesday. Enjoy your day and just know that Miss Lee loves and misses you. Today, your mystery word is hyena. So text me the word hyena for extra points on the leaderboard. Have a great Tuesday. Bye.